We've hit an interesting moment. Sentiment is up plus 0.25, and momentum has spiked to plus 0.60, indicating a strong shift in sentiment dynamics. What's noteworthy here is the sudden rise in momentum over the past 24 hours, suggesting that sentiment is not just positive, but accelerating rapidly, something we don't see every day. Our API returns a rich set of insights, including sentiment scores and momentum analytics, allowing you to dig deep into market psychology. Imagine using this to enhance your algorithmic trading strategies, adapting your approach in real time to capitalize on this surge in positive sentiment. To get started, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this moment together.